Hello, I am petroonishchuk. Today I want to speak about constant menu in your SwiftUI project. In this video I try to explain how you can use the constant menu with SingleView and also how you can use the constant menu with a list of items. How you can see in this project I will change foreground color in system image and show you how it looks on iPhone and also how it looks on iPad. For this I must create a new project. For example, how you can see, I create a new project. Name my project context menu in SwiftUI 01. And also, how you can see, in our project we have our content view. This is our main view when we run our simulator. And now I try to change our main view and also I want to create a new view. With new view, I want to show you how you can use the context menu with single view inside your application. For example, okay, now I want to explain what I create. How you can see, first I changed name for our content view to main content view. And now, when we run our application, first view, what we see when we run our application will be our main content view. How you can see, inside our main content view, we have navigation view with list. Inside the list, we have one navigation link to our single content menu view. But then we'll be create another navigation link to our multiple content menu view. Now move to our single content menu view. How you can see, this is our single context menu view. Inside our view, first we have a state property. State property have name custom color. This property will be called color for foreground color for our image. Next, how you can see, inside the body we have this tag. Inside this tag we have our image. We create image by using our system name. How you can see, we will have image HomePod menu. And then we set foreground color for our image by using our custom color property. And also we set a size for our image by using our font. And also we have our context menu. How you can see, this is our context menu. What is context menu? With context menu we can display menu with some section, and each section in our context menu can run some action. In our example, how you can see, inside our context menu we have this tag. Inside this tag we have a couple views. First view is our text view with value select color. This view don't run any action. And then we have a button. Each button we create for change value inside our custom color property. How you can see, we have a first button. With first button we change our color to yellow. And also I use this animation because I want to change value in our property through 3 minutes. How you can see, we have also another button for change value to blue color, to green color, to gray color, and to orange. This is our constant menu with our button and text view. And now when I run a simulator, and you can see how look our constant menu and how we can change foreground color to our image. For example, how you can see, I run a simulator. First view, what we can see is our main content view. And now we move to our single context menu view. How you can see, we have our HomePod menu. And also, how you can see, we have foreground color gray, because we set our foreground color to gray. And now, when I tap, we must see our context menu. How you can see, this is our text view with value select color. And then we have our button, yellow HomePod menu, blue, gray, green, gray, orange. And now when I tap yellow, we must set our foreground color to yellow, for example. Okay, how you can see, this is our context menu. Inside our context menu, we have a section for run some quick action. In our example, quick action is change foreground color to our HomePod mini. How you can see, when we tap to another section, we change foreground color to our HomePod mini. Okay, in this example, I try to show you how you can use the context menu with single view inside your application. In the next example, I want to show you how you can use the context menu with the list of items. For this, I want to create a new view, and also I want to create a model and view model. For example, and now I want to explain what I create. First, I create a model. Our model is our project image structure. With this structure, we will create our project image object. Our structure called couple property, ID, name, and color. Okay, next, move to our data. How you can see, inside our project data.swift file, I create a global property, project image data. This property called array with project image object. I'll be using this property for create a list of image inside our multiple context menu view. And also, how you can see, I create project image view model. Inside our project image view model, we have one property called images. This property called array is project image object. And now I assign to this property value from our project image data property. How you can see, we take this data for this property and assign to our property inside our project image view model. And also inside our project view model, we have a method setColor. With this method, we will set a new value color to our image object. How you can see, our method takes two parameters. First, color, a new color, what we want to set to our image object, and also we have image, what we want to change. And then we found index for specific image from our all image array. And then when we found this index, we take this value and then we change color value inside our project image object that holds our all image array. How you can see, we take this object and we change color value inside this object and assign a new value what we put in our setColor method. Okay, this is our project image view model. Next, move to our main content view. And then inside main content view, I create navigation link to our new multiple context menu view. How you can see, this is our navigation link to our new view, multiple context menu view. And also, how you can see, I set navigation bar title display mode to inline, and also I set navigation div style to stack. With this setup, will be displayed one view in our iPad when we run our application on iPad. Okay, let's move to our multiple context menu view. Okay, this is our multiple context menu view. How you can see, inside our view, first we have our environment object property, project image view model. How you can see, inside our app structure, we create our state object, and then we take this object and put inside our environment object to our main content view. And then we take this object by using our environment object property. Next, for display our image, how you can see, I create scroll view. Inside scroll view, I create lazy vstack, and inside lazy vstack, I create a list by using for each structure. How you can see, I create a list by using array that holds our project image view model. How you can see, I use it our all image array. And then, how you can see, I create the image by using system name. I take each image from our all image array and take image name to our system name parameters. And also, I set font for size of our image, and also I set foreground color. For foreground color, I take value from property that holds our image object. How you can see, I dot image.color. And also, how you can see, we have our context menu view. And then when we tap to each image in our application, will be displayed our context menu. Our context menu will be hold text view with value set color, and also couple button for set different color for each image inside our list. How you can see, we can set value yellow color, blue color, red color, green color, orange color. This is context view similar like in our single context menu view. How you can see, we have also button, but in this example, we have one image. In this example, we will have couple images, and each image will be displayed our context menu. And now, when I run simulator and show you how you can change color for each image inside our list, what we create inside our multiple context menu view. For example. And now, how you can see, when we run our simulator, first view what we have is our main content view. Our main content view have a two navigation link. First navigation link to our single context menu view, second navigation link to our multiple context menu view. Now we move to our multiple context menu view. Now you can see, this is our multiple context menu view. Inside our simulator, we have list with different image. Where we take this image? This image we take from our all image array will hold our project image view model. How we can see, first, inside data, we create this global property. This global property holds array with project image object. And then we assign this property to our property that holds our project image view model. And now this property holds array of project image object. And then inside our multiple content view, by using for each structure, I create an image by using image, system image, and put inside parameters image.name. This means we take each image object.name for create our image by using our system image parameters. And then, how you can see, I set font for our image, I set foreground color. But then, how you can see, for foreground color, I use image.color. This means our image object have property color. This property. Then I use pattern, and then I use context menu. How you can see, our context menu hold text view and also couple button. With each button, we can change foreground color to each image inside our list. For example, how you can see, I change foreground color for first image to blue. Now I change foreground color for third image to red. Now I change value to green. I change foreground color to yellow. In this example, I change foreground color to blue. How you can see, we can change foreground color to each image what we hold inside our list by using our context menu. And now I want to run iPad simulator and show you how look our application on iPad. For example, And now, when I run our application on iPad mini and select our multiple context menu, we have a list of our image. And now we can also change background color for each image. For example, how you can see, when we run our application on iPad mini, our application works correctly, and we can change background color for each image inside our list. This is the end of my video. In this video, I try to explain how we can use the context menu in your SwiftUI project. In this video, I try to show you how we can use the context menu with single view, and also how we can use the context menu with a list of items. This is the end. Thank you for watching.